Your Volkswagen is stalling in the middle of the street. It's showing an engine code for misfires. You're going to replace 2 sensors right off the bat. And this is going to cost you between 60 and 80 bucks for both sensors. Not each, but depending on Amazon prices, depending on the make, you can pay either $30 or $40 per sensor. Okay. The 2 sensors you want to replace: crank position sensor and cam position sensor. That's 2. Remember, it's a fuel-injected engine, so it's got a computer. In order to put the right amount of fuel, it's got to know where the crank's at and where the cam's at. If it doesn't know that, it is programmed to shut itself off. And I think part of the reason it's programmed to shut itself off is to avoid catastrophic engine failure.